So when we're building our resumes, one of the most frustrating areas is formatting, like keeping things formatted consistently all throughout our document on Microsoft Word. And in particular, where this is really frustrating is when we're trying to make sure content is aligned with the margin. What I'm going to cover here is aligning the date ranges perfectly every time with the right-hand margin, which is where the date ranges should be on a resume. So this is a resume for a teacher, and we want to have the date ranges all the way on the right-hand side. And so we want to also make sure that every date range is perfectly aligned on the margin consistently every single time. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this area right here in the top left-hand corner of our screen in Word. And this L here, we're going to click it until it becomes a backwards L. And if you hover over it, it says right tab. So what we also want to do with this backwards L is we want to put it on our margin. We want it right against the margin here. So we're going to drag it until it's lined up perfectly. And so what we do is if we put the date range in here, and let's say it's June 2016 to present, all we have to do, because we've now lined that up, is tab our date range all the way over, and you can see that it is perfectly aligned. So you do that each and every single time with every single role, every single item of education. If you are including dates, sometimes we won't, but that's a topic for another video. And yeah, each and every time, this will make sure that you have your dates perfectly aligned against the right-hand margin every single time.